So in this video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing website that you can use to earn $500 a day, all without even showing your face. The best thing about this method is that it's free and super easy to do, so you don't have to be a pro or anything like that to get started. Now, I know you're itching to get started, so let's jump straight into my step-by-step tutorial. So today we're going to dive into this awesome tool called VidOn. Seriously, it's a total game changer when it comes to creating content. The videos it churns out are top-notch, and the motion illustrations are mind-blowing. I'm telling you, it's like pure magic. All you gotta do is enter a prompt. Let me just say, VidOn has made video editing a breeze for me. You literally just drag and drop your clips into the interface and let the AI-powered features do their thing. It's kinda like having your very own video editing assistant right at your fingertips. The coolest part about VidOn is how it automatically fixes any color or lighting issues in your videos. No more wasting hours tweaking settings to get that perfect look. The AI takes care of it flawlessly. Now, let's talk about the templates and styles they offer. They've got a ton to choose from, so you can create professional-looking videos without having to be a design expert. It's a real time and effort saver, trust me on this. Oh, and here's another thing that gets me excited about VidOn: the collaboration feature. It's so amazing for productivity and teamwork. You can work with your team or clients in real time, getting everyone's input and making changes on the spot. So, whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete newbie, VidOn is designed to be super user-friendly for everyone. It's packed with AI-powered tools that automate and simplify the editing process, so you can let your creativity run wild and create some seriously awesome videos. And the best part is that since VidOn is cloud-based, you can access and edit your videos from anywhere. As long as you've got an internet connection, you're good to go. Now that you've got the lowdown on VidOn, let's dive into the first step of this money-making method. Step 1. Sign up for VidOn. Okay, so to get started, just open up your browser and type in vidon.ai. Boom! You'll be taken straight to their awesome website. Look for the Get Started Now button on the screen and give it a click. Now, pay attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. See that small little arrow? Yeah, click on that. It'll reveal the login button. Give it a click and you'll see a sign-up form waiting for you. They just need a few details to get you started. Fill in your full name, email address, company website if you have one, and choose a password that you'll remember. But hey, if you find it easier to sign in with Google, then just hit the option to continue with Google. It's super easy. Once you've filled out the form or chosen the Google option, you're good to go. You're officially part of the VidOn crew. Step 2. Create a video with VidOn. Alright, let's dive into the fun part with VidOn: creating an awesome video. Once you're all logged in, keep your eyes peeled for that purple button that says AI Prompt. Give it a click and get ready to let the AI work its magic by writing your script. Now, we need to choose a topic that's going to grab people's attention. How about how to improve your credit score? And let's keep it short and sweet, less than 1 minute. We want to make sure we capture people's interest in no time. Oh, and here's where you can add your personal touch. You can choose the color theme for your video. Let's go with blue, it's fresh and eye-catching. And for the images, let's opt for modern illustrations. We want our video to look sleek and professional. Alright, we've got our topic, length, color, and images all sorted out. Now it's time to bring it all together. Just give that blue button a click, the one that says Create Video, and get ready to be amazed. In less than a minute, VidOn will work its magic and whip up a highly professional video for you. The AI-powered tools make sure your video has all the elements to captivate viewers, from the top-notch moving illustrations that keep them engaged to the handy subtitles for easy understanding. And here's an extra bonus. You'll have a special section at the end of the script where you can give a call to action. This is where you can promote your awesome offers and get people excited to take action. Step 3. Post the videos on YouTube Shorts. Alright, now it's time to get those incredible videos you made using VidOn out there for the world to see. We're gonna kick things off by sharing them on YouTube Shorts. I bet you're wondering, why YouTube Shorts, right? Well, let me tell you, it's the perfect platform to build up a following and get your videos in front of a massive audience. And the best part is that it's not just about sharing your creativity, but also about opening up doors to all kinds of money-making opportunities. Think affiliate products, brand deals, and even your very own digital products. The sky's the limit. Step 4. Monetize your videos through affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, let's say that you come across a super cool product or service that you absolutely love. You're thinking, man, I wish more people knew about this awesome thing. Well, guess what? With affiliate marketing, you can spread the word and get rewarded for it. Here's how it works. You sign up to be an affiliate for a company or a brand that offers an affiliate program. They'll give you a special link called an affiliate link that's unique to you. This link is like your secret money-making weapon. Now, your job as an affiliate is to share that affiliate link with your audience. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a little thank you gift for referring customers to the company. When it comes to affiliate products, there's a couple of different things you can explore. One option is to check out ClickBank. They've got a ton of different affiliate products you can showcase in your videos. Just browse through the different credit score products they have to offer and find the ones that connect with you and that you think will connect with your audience. Trust me, there's something for everyone on ClickBank. Another option is to do a good old Google search for credit score affiliate programs. There are so many different companies out there that offer affiliate partnerships. So take your time to find the ones that align with your niche and values. That way, you can create videos that genuinely showcase products you believe in. Now, here's the key. Keep posting those videos on YouTube Shorts. The quality of the videos you've created with VidOn is so good that it won't take long for them to catch fire and go viral. And that's where the money starts rolling in. With a growing following and viral videos, you'll start earning money from various sources. Whether it's through affiliate commissions, brand collaborations, or sales of your own digital products, the opportunities are there for the taking. So it's time to get those videos out into the world. Post them on YouTube Shorts, build that following, and watch the money flow in. Pro tip. Now, here's a pro tip to supercharge your money-making process. Add your affiliate product right into the video created by VidOn using a powerful call to action. This way, you can start earning money right from day one. It's a win-win situation. But wait, don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description and comment box of the Shorts video. That way, people can easily click on it and make a purchase. And guess what? You'll get paid for every sale that comes through your link. Now, I also have another awesome idea for you. You can start your own online hustle channel. And you can use the text-to-video feature in the thumbnail and title of your videos using VidOn. Trust me, this is a game changer. Why? Because text-to-video is going to be the next big trend in the future. By hopping on this trend early, you'll grab people's attention and make your video stand out from the crowd. It's all about staying ahead of the game. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more easy ways to make money online. See you next time.